This is going to be an interesting video. What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the brand VMKLY wireless lavalier microphone for Type-C phone, plug play, wireless mic with 2 microphone for USB-C, Android phone, video recording, interview, vlog, auto sync, noise, and noise reduction. Yeah, it's about $36.99 on Amazon. I printed this so I could show you guys. I did already test the audio. The audio sounds okay. I want you guys to be the judge of that. I think it's a little loud. So definitely on the loud side, but that could be fixed in editing, which I'm definitely going to have to do. So right now I'm actually recording this on my Pixel 7, which is the Pixel 7 mic. I've been doing this for the past few videos, and I figured I'd get something like this because this would help a lot, especially if I need to walk around. It is wireless, and I did test it, and it does work. So we're going to be testing this today. I'm also going to be unboxing it. Now, it does come in a box. It doesn't just come in this. It just comes in a basic box. I'm pretty sure that just has the brand on it. If you look these up, you will find thousands of results, and they're all going to be different brands. This is the one that seemed to be most appealing. This is a problem with Amazon. There's not just one brand, which makes sense. Amazon, it's a very large distribution center for products, but which, I mean, for $36.99 it's pretty worth it personally, but you guys will definitely be the judge of that. So let's check this out. As I was stating before, it just comes in a white box and it's just in this. That's it. That's all there is to it. And I did actually use it, so one of the microphones is missing the blue peel, but that is a-okay. So if we actually go ahead and open this, all the stuff that you will need is in here. You've got your Type-C cable. It's a very short but decently long cable to charge your devices. Here's one of the microphones and here's the other. You can tell which one I've used, obviously. And to charge the device, you actually have to plug it in here Type-C. I haven't tested this out yet, but we'll see. I don't know how long you're supposed to get for battery life. I'll check the website and we'll even check the manual, see what they say. Here's about the UI. I'm not sure why they boarded it like that. So power on for about 3 seconds, hold it down. Red and green flashing light. Paired will be green. Power off, same as power on. Noise reduction, green light. It doesn't tell you how to turn it on though. You got pause, mute, double tap, press button, the power button, red light. Low battery, red light flashing. Charging with Type-C cable. Charging, red light. Fully charged, light off. So light will turn off once it's fully charged. You've got receiver, power on, plug in the device. Red light, power off, plug off the device. Light off, unplug the device would have been a better way to word that. And it actually says you can charge your phone while you're using it. We can test that, but I really don't think we need to. That's more than likely just passed through, so it's not really something that needs to be tested. But this is the user manual. I don't know. I don't 100% know how the battery lasts or how long it lasts, but it's probably not really that big of a deal anyway. I'm sure it lasts long enough. If I do find it, I'll put it up on screen now. That way you guys are aware. So this is a microphone. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around, and then we'll plug this in. That way I can show you how the mic sounds. Alrighty, guys. So I'm gonna have to turn this down in editing just because it is very loud. From what I know, it sounded like that on my phone. I'm not sure if it's gonna sound like that on my headphones, the ones I used to edit. But so the way you work this is you just plug it into your phone. Wait for the red light to turn on, turn it on by holding down the power button, and you can actually turn on 2 of these at once, and it'll seamlessly connect to them. I don't have another person to test that with, and I would plug both in and then put them close together, but it's just going to do that really annoying noise, so we're not going to do that. Now, for my Pixel 7, you actually have to go into the settings, click the settings, and make sure you choose USB mic or just whatever mic. That is how you turn it on, and that is how you work it. Let me know what you guys think of these microphones in the comments below. So like I said, you're going to want to do your research before you go buy. But a few feet away, and you guys can still hear me okay. I don't know why I'm yelling. It's just a habit, but they are supposed to be pretty good at range. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a little bit of a different video. It's probably going to be a shorter video. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new and you want to see more videos on stuff like this, microphones in general. I have another USB one, a 5-fine one that I did a video on. I don't know how long ago, but I'll put that up in the cards now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.